Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase software development skills with Pluralsight. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Pluralsight website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Explore their vast library of courses tailored for various skill levels. Identify your current skill level in software development. Set clear learning goals based on where you want to improve. Use the search function to find courses relevant to your goals. Consider starting with foundational courses if you're a beginner. If you have experience, look for more advanced topics that challenge you. Take advantage of learning paths Pluralsight offers for structured growth. Study each course by watching the video lectures attentively. Make sure to take notes on key concepts and practices. Engage with interactive quizzes to reinforce your learning. Practice coding along with the courses to gain hands-on experience. Utilize the coding challenges provided to test your skills in a practical environment. Join the Pluralsight community forums to connect with other learners. Ask questions and participate in discussions to deepen your understanding. Track your progress through the platform's built-in analytics. Regularly revisit difficult concepts until you feel confident. Set a consistent study schedule to maintain a steady learning pace. Apply what you learn in real-life projects to solidify your skills. Consider enrolling in specializations or certifications to further validate your expertise. Take time to reflect on your learning journey and adjust your goals as necessary. Stay up to date with new courses and content released on Pluralsight. Continuously seek feedback from peers or mentors to improve your skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.